Boeing's defense arm is set to unveil a mysterious new plane and says it will change future air power. The aerospace giant's defense arm teased the new craft, covered in a black cloth. It is believed to be a radical new craft using electric hairdryer to allow it to land and take off vertically. Boeing will unveil their mystery aircraft on December 19. Speculation has so far said it could anything from a new spaceplane to an electric fighter jet. Earlier this year, Boeing bought Aurora Flight Sciences Corporation, which is developing the autonomous, electric-powered and long-flight duration aircraft for its commercial and military businesses. Last year, Aurora won a contract for more than $89 million for the vertical takeoff and landing X-plane, beating Boeing in the process. Aurora has designed, produced and flown more than 30 unmanned air vehicles since its inception and has collaborated with Boeing on the rapid prototyping of innovative aircraft and structural assemblies for both military and commercial applications during the last decade. The radical design combines fixed-wing technology from planes with rotary wing technology from helicopters. It has two large rear wings and two smaller front canards, short wings mounted near the nose of the aircraft. The engine would drive 24 ducted fans, 9 integrated into each wing and 3 inside each canard. Aurora, the firm behind the radical craft, previously told Defense One there's quite a bit of interest in a laser-armed version of the drone, particularly for use in Marine Corps missions. Aurora Flight Sciences said the subscale version proved the radical theory behind the craft. The subscale aircraft